Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water filter housing inlet line in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Shut off the water supply as well. Pull the refrigerator away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Disconnect the water supply line from the coupler attached to the lower rear access panel. Be prepared for some water to spill. Open both doors, along with the water filter cover. Pull the toe kick plate free. Remove the water filter from the housing. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the two mounting screws securing the filter housing. Next, use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the water inlet line coupler from the lower rear access panel. Unthread all of the screws to release the access panel. Now unthread the screws securing the water inlet valve bracket to the frame. With the valve bracket detached, you can more easily pull the water filter housing forward to reach the water supply lines. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the locking clip securing the water filter inlet line. You can use a 1/2" wrench to help depress the retaining ring to release the inlet line from the housing. You can now pull the old inlet line out from the rear of the appliance. Install the new water filter housing inlet line by feeding the end without the fitting to the front of the refrigerator from the rear. Fully insert the line into the water filter housing port. Insert the locking clip to secure. Confirm the polystyrene foam block is in place, then reposition the filter housing. Thread the mounting screws to secure the housing. Open the housing cover and reinstall the water filter. Reinstall the toe kick plate by aligning the clips on the plate with the brackets attached to the refrigerator frame. Then snap the plate into place. Close the water filter cover. Returning to the rear of the appliance, realign the water inlet valve bracket on the frame and secure it with the mounting screws. Reinstall the access panel. Be sure to secure the water inlet line coupler to the panel. Connect the water supply line to the new inlet line coupler. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.